Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to the Trucker Rudy show this morning. We are getting our day started. We're here in Wilson, Wisconsin. We got fine mist this fine morning. I'm just glad it ain't snowing. And my buddy Mitch was sending me a picture last night. Up there in Duluth area, it was snowing like crazy. And yes, it is already May 9th, and it was snowing up in Duluth. Can you believe that? My goodness sakes alive. But anyways, here we are. I'm gonna get our day started early so that way we can get through Minneapolis, hopefully with no problem. It is 10 minutes after 4 a.m. in the morning right now. So yeah, as you guys can see, it's, well, I don't know if you guys can really see it, but there's a real fine mist hitting my windshield. But anyways, I hope you guys are all having a good day so far. Whenever you get around to watching this video, I know it's kind of dark, so we'll be out of here in a minute. And I'll show you as much as we can. Appreciate you guys tuning in again. Welcome back to the winter time, guys. It really has gotten white out here, hasn't it? Yeah, I told you guys that we were possibly going to be looking at something like this. And here we are. I knew it. I saw that yesterday on the radar. And that was another reason why I didn't really want to go any further, is because I suspected that I would be running into this kind of stuff, and I think I made a good decision. Yes, I think I did. But anyways, we have gone through Minneapolis already a little while ago, and it was no problem getting through there. There was no snow up there, but all of a sudden up here we're looking at snow. Yeah, how exciting is that? Where did our summer go? Yeah, no kidding. Hey guys, it was time to make us a little bit of a pit stop, take a half an hour break. So guess what we're doing? Well, we're warming up some food here. Look at that, we got a chicken thigh there, whatever that is, some mashed potato and some green beans and carrots and all that good stuff, some healthy stuff. Let's go ahead and have us a good bite to eat, and I will talk to you guys in a bit. Just made it up here to Pembina, North Dakota. I had to go use the bathroom, so I pulled in over here to Gas Track, and now we got all that taken care of. We're only I would say a mile away from getting to the border, but we'll be there soon enough.
In 2.5
and I'm telling you guys, it is crazy windy today again. Man, oh man, with all this wind, I'm just barely gonna make it home with my fuel. Yikes, I'm almost on the red. That's how much fuel I've already used, but oh well. At least we have nice sunshine right now. Couple of white clouds, but that's it. Other than that, we are enjoying our day today. So let's go down here, get across the border, and go home. As you guys can see, we are now back in the flatlands. Yeah, it hasn't really changed from North Dakota, but hey, here we are. Just cruising down the road, or up the road, I guess you could say, because we're going north, right? Should be up? Maybe? I don't know. I don't really care. But yeah, we got about another hour and 15 minutes, and we'll be home, sweet home. That's right. I'm looking forward to that, that's for sure. And then I'm just going to do another reset and go again, but hey, that's part of trucking, right? Reset and go, reset and go. Trying to get a few extra miles in, right? But yeah, we have made it across again. Don't really have any super big plans other than I think tonight we're going to go down to my dad's place for supper. And I think that's about it. Gonna have a good supper over there, I'm sure. and then we'll be back, you know, relaxing tomorrow and back on the road on Saturday again if they have a load. Alright guys, we have made it down to my dad's place now, and let's take a look on what we are up to. What do you say, son?
Nothing.
Nothing?
No.
Oh, what are we cooking?
Stew.
A good stew?
Yeah.
Oh, look at that. That looks fantastic, doesn't it? I would say so. We are getting very, very close to eating supper though. It is definitely almost ready.